Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on renaming files in My Files on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing to do is open up the My Files app. Mine was in my Samsung folder. Locate the file in the My Files app that you would like to rename. Hold down on the file that you would like to rename. This will select the file. Once the file is selected, you need to tap on More in the bottom right corner. Type your desired name and then tap Rename. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.